When it comes to pressure relief devices, proper coupling is essential for effective and reliable operation. DonadonSDD offers SUT and SUM units, as well as HIF and HRF holders, designed with different types of couplings to match your specific needs and ensure proper installation of DonadonSDD rupture discs. Regardless of your coupling requirements, DonadonSDD excels in designing units and holders in compliance with a wide range of international standards. This includes accommodating both female and male threaded coupling types such as NPT, National Pipe Thread, and BSP, British Standard Pipe, also referred to as gas. These threaded couplings, designed for precise fit and ease of assembly, require no special tools for installation, embodying the perfect blend of convenience and versatility for any application. An additional coupling variant is the butt weld, a technique that seamlessly unifies two metal segments into a single unit. Frequently employed in pipework systems, butt welding assures exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. Moreover, the socket welding coupling serves as another viable method. While it shares similarities with butt welding, it uniquely utilizes a socket-shaped fitting to join the two metal pieces. This technique is typically favored in small-diameter piping systems, delivering an excellent seal and outstanding structural integrity. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, we're here to help. Please feel free to reach out to us via email at donadonsdd@donadonsdd.com. For more common inquiries, you may find your answers in our FAQ section at the DonadonSDD website.